Hello, everyone. Hi, thank you. I'm Dmitry, one of the co-founders here at Tomi.ai. We are a plug-and-play predictive marketing platform that turns your own first-party data into rocket fuel for profitable growth. Every business needs more customers and more revenue these days. Lifetime value, better retention. The problem, you can't buy, like most businesses can buy, with a few lucky exceptions, those things with your marketing spends. Instead, you have to buy leads. Good leads, bad leads, any leads. And if your leads convert into revenue over more than just a few days, you're in trouble. You are losing competition to companies like Amazon and everyone with a shorter sales cycle. So what to do about it? To succeed, you need to value every website visit on your website, to assign a dollar value, a specific dollar amount, to every website visitor, not just your inbound leads that you're probably scoring with a sophisticated lead scoring tool. Sounds impossible? Well, we just solved it for you. How we did that is that we found a way with our own patent-pending pixel to track and analyze website behavior at an unprecedented level of detail, way beyond something you can achieve with Google or Adobe Analytics. Then throw in some machine learning, connected to CRM outcomes like qualified opportunities, like revenue, like LTV, and boom, you have it. Probability to buy and likely revenue for every website visitor. Now you can evaluate ROI of every channel and every campaign in real time. You can train Facebook and Google to give you revenue, not just leads, and do a lot of other amazing things. Curious to learn more? Check us out at Tomi.ai and book a call to talk to me. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a great day.
All right, Dmitry, don't go anywhere yet. I got a question for you.
Oh, thank you.
How do you get set up? If I want to use this, how do I get started?
You need to place a small piece of JavaScript code, a pixel, onto your website. It takes 10 minutes, doesn't require an engineering degree or anything. And then you need to let us know which of your inbound leads from your website converted into revenue. We will do everything else for you.
All right, thank you, Dmitry. Appreciate it.
Karim.
Tomi.ai.